This automatic bottle unscrambling machine organizes emptying bottles quickly and efficiently. Bottles are aligned and fed smoothly into the production line. The automatic spices weighing filling machine is designed for precise and stable filling of spice powders and granules. Using an intelligent weighing system, each bottle is filled accurately with consistent weight control. The machine runs smoothly at high speed, minimizing material waste and product loss. It is suitable for various spices such as chili powder, pepper, seasoning mixes, and food additives, making it ideal for food processing factories. This double-head servo bottle capping machine ensures fast and reliable cap tightening. Servo control provides precise torque adjustment, preventing loose caps or over-tightening. The dual-head design increases production speed while maintaining consistent capping quality. It is suitable for different bottle sizes and cap types, offering flexible and stable performance. The high-speed round bottle labeling machine applies labels accurately and smoothly. It ensures clean alignment, firm adhesion, and a professional appearance for every finished bottle. After labeling, bottles are transferred to the automatic bottle collecting machine. This system organizes finished products neatly, preparing them for packing or secondary processing.